Hello Miss, my name is Chun and my student ID is 2004768 and I'm from CN. Today I want to demo about the denial of service as known as the DOS attack. I will use two Kali Linux to represent the attacker and the victim. The left one is the attacker and the right one is the victim. We will use hping tree to do our DOS attack. And first, we need to know the IP address of the victim and the attacker. So we write ifconfig. Okay, we'll see the IP address of the victim is 192.168.56.101 and for the attacker is 102. Okay, now we will use hping tree to start our DOS attack. To install hping tree in Kali Linux, we need to write the command okay. You will see now it is installed and there is no upgrade and no install because it is installed already in this Kali Linux. Okay, after that we write this command okay. This command, the meaning is we use hping tree and then the port is active and we use ICMP flooding and this one is the IP address of the victim. Okay, we'll start now. Okay, and then we look for Wireshark. Okay. Now we stop it first. Okay, stop now. And then open back the Wireshark. Okay. We will see there is a 42 and 60. There is from two different sources. This means from this 102, this is the attacker. It will send the echo request to the target victim and the request response from the victim address, which is 101, 192.168.56.101. Okay. And then it sends 42 echo to the victim and the victim sends back 60 echo back. Okay, this is all for the DOS attack. That's it. And then now I will show how to countermeasure the DOS attack. And for this situation, I will use Iptables. To install Iptables, I will use the command called this. Okay, it's done. And then we will write the command in this. Okay, this command means we use IP table and the type is ICMP. We want to reject the ICMP from other people. Okay, after this we try to ping it again, to attack it again. Okay, in the new Wireshark you will only see the attacker IP address. We won't see the request response from the victim IP address. Okay. We will only see the attacker attack to the victim's PC, but it cannot receive back the response from the victim IP address. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, Miss. And that's all for me.